Could you please tell me how did thinking in English help you for speaking in English? Because you learned English language speaking very quickly. The only reason behind you applied the strategy of thinking in English. Could you please narrate how thinking helped you for speaking?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. When I was came here to learn English, I was zero.
Hmm.
I didn't know English because I came from a Kannada medium student.
Hmm.
After I joined this institute and I just spent 20 days here.
Hmm.
Now I can speak little bit of English.
Hmm.
I am always thinking English because thinking English is must. Need to learn
But
English.
one thing I want to say, you did not spend just 20 days, you spent more days.
Not sir. I just spent my 20 days here.
Huh.
I always do one thing. I always think in English
Hmm.
when I was went somewhere,
Hmm.
when I was doing something.
Hmm.
I just uh, speak
Think
with
in
my
English.
sir.
Hmm.
Think in English and speak with myself in
Hmm.
English.
Hmm.
That is helped me to learn English very quickly
Hmm.
in this time.
Because we all human being always think in some other language. Like I think in my mother tongue, you think now present in English language, in which we think we feel very confident to talk in that language.
Yes.
Isn't it a fact? Yes, absolutely, it is a fact. If we want to become very fluent speaker in any language, we have to start thinking in that particular language what you really applied, and that helped you a lot. Could you please tell me how did you start thinking in English? From when did you actually start thinking?
Before 3 months, I was came here to learn English. I
Just before you said 20 days?
Yes sir. I was spent my 20 days and
Huh.
go back to my degree.
Actually, what happened?
Yes.
You had come before 3 or 4 months
Yes sir.
due to some urgent work. You had gone to your village.
Village.
Now again you have come back
Come
here.
back sir.
Okay, fine. Continue.
I when I was in this institute,
Hmm.
we made a strategy
Hmm.
to think in English. That name was Operation Thinking.
Operation thinking.
Thinking.
Wow, superb.
When we want to learn this language, we
Hmm.
have to think in English. That is mandatory to learn English.
Hmm. Superb.
That is helped me to learn English.
Hmm.
Helped me a lot to learn English.
Hmm.
I have practiced a lot of things to do
Hmm.
to have it in myself this
Hmm.
language.
Hmm. Today, little bit of English, what you are speaking,
Yes, sir.
it just because of you are thinking
Yes, sir.
continuously 24 into 7 you are thinking in English,
Yes.
and that helped you a lot to speak in English.
Yes, sir.
Right? Yes, it is very sure, and you are the practical live evidence in front of my eyes and in front of everybody's eyes in our institute that thinking in English, whenever I conduct class, I conduct a particular class on thinking in English. Why to think in English? How to think in English? If some other thoughts, some other languages come to your brain, how to avoid those languages, and how English language thinking will help you. I conduct particular classes on it.
Yes, sir.
And you took utilization of this and you applied it, you got results,
Results, sir.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So even I tell every students to just think in English, think in English, think in English. What do you think? Yes, we have to think in English to become good speaker in English.
Yes, sir.
That you applied. Thank you so much, Arun,
Thank you, sir.
for applying all the guidelines that we have given to all the newcomers who come for learning English, and you are one of them. You applied it, you showed your seriousness in that, and you really got the result.
Yes, sir.
Okay, will you continue thinking English language or not?
Yes, sir. I want to speak fluently.
Hmm.
So today onwards, I will always think in English.
Hmm.
From this moment, I always think in English, sir.
Yes, do only one thing, even if you are unable to talk,
Yes, sir.
but think in English. You need not to have somebody with you to talk with them.
Yes, sir.
When you are thinking in English, you can even think by your own self. You don't have need of anybody,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? If you want to communicate, you need to have people with you,
Yes, sir.
right? If you want to think, you need not to have anybody with you.
Yes, sir.
Think regularly in English and continue this.